Why do 95% of dentists love our sickle scaler? Let's find out. Hello and welcome to Spec Dental Hub. Today, we're thrilled to introduce one of our key products, the Dental Sickle Scaler. As a trusted manufacturer and exporter of high-quality dental instruments, we support dental professionals with tools that ensure precision, comfort, and reliability. Our Dental Sickle Scaler is designed for effective removal of plaque and calculus, especially in those hard-to-reach areas. The sharp, pointed tip allows for precise scaling along the tooth surface. Hold the scaler with a firm yet comfortable grip and apply gentle pressure as you work along the gum line. At Spec Dental Hub, we take quality seriously. Every sickle scaler is handcrafted with meticulous attention to detail, ensuring consistent performance. Our instruments undergo strict quality control checks to meet the standards required by dental professionals worldwide. Whether you're a dental clinic, hospital, or wholesaler, our scalers provide the reliability you need to offer the best care. Thank you for choosing Spec Dental Hub for your dental instruments.